Hello, gorgeous. It's that time again. I have the BoxyCharm Luxe box for March. Every 3 months, I'm always looking forward to this box right here. So stay tuned to see what I got. I am on a roll today. This is only my third one though. I feel like I've done more than that. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with me today. Yay! I'm excited about my Luxe boxes. I love my Luxe boxes, you guys. Like, they're like one of the things that I look forward to the most because I get them on my birth month and my birthday month. My birthday month. So yay! Let's do it. Whoa! Look at my box. Look at that. It's like all... What's going on there? BoxyCharm, don't you turn into Ipsy. Okay, let's dive in. It is beat up though, y'all. I'm not even playing. Wow. I love this theme for the month too. I forgot to do that in my premium. Like, the theme for BoxyCharm is lucky for March. I'm feeling lucky. I'm so sorry about that. So yes, let's dive in. Whew, I'm excited. Okay, right off the top here, we've got a palette. Be Beauty London. Never heard of them before. Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Barbarella, huh? Okay. You gotta be smarter than the packaging. Just come out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So this is the front of it, and the outside packaging was just the exact same. This is the front of it. It's very cute. I love the eyelashes here. So it says jet milled color. Jet milled. What is jet milled color? Delivers intense saturated color, light reflective sheens with velvety finish, gorgeous golds, pretty pearls, frosted greens. I thought it would be like a neon from this packaging. Let's look. Okay. So we have here just a basic neutral palette with a pop of blue. Here, let's get that off there. Look at that. That one pop of blue is just, it feels so out of place in this palette, you guys. I don't know how to feel about that. Like, I feel like if they had that, that's aggravating. I feel like if they had like another like pop or something, or 2 or 3 or 4 of color, then it would, that blue just, it freaks me out. I don't know why. Okay, so we've got like a basic neutral eyeshadow palette with a great big pop of neon blue. Let's get a couple swatches here and see. I've been dropping stuff all day, you guys. It's been horrible. Let's go in for a couple of mattes. I see a dark matte here. These are all guy names. Hugh, Andrea, Luca, Cody, Jason, Brett. Is that Cody? I can't see. Eddie? It's EDI. Brad, Oliver. What is going on here? Okay. Oh, I see you, Barbarella, or whoever you are. All right. Ooh, they feel soft. So I'm going for Ryan because it's the darkest shade. And then let's just do this pop of blue. I can't, like, my eye just draws right to that and I can't see any of the rest of it. Oh, okay, that clumped up. See that big clump in the middle there? Yeah, that just completely clumped up in one spot. I don't like that. Okay, that pop of blue, it's messing with me. Let's do a couple of shimmers. Let's do this orange shimmer. And let's do this white shimmer. So that's what I have for swatches, guys. Nothing super exciting. I mean, that blue just bugs me. I don't know what's going on with it. But yeah, it's nothing super exciting to me. I don't know if I'll ever reach for this palette because I can't get past this neon blue color. I can't get past it. Like, it's... Alright, I'm gonna move on because I've just been talking about that pop of blue for like way too long. So, Barbarella, how much are you? $50? I don't know about that. I'm not even... Yep. I wouldn't pay $50 for that. I have less expensive palettes in my collection. Like, way less expensive palettes. Like, palettes I paid $10 for that are like 5 times the quality of that. Alright, so we'll put 50 on there. $50. What do we have next? Glow Recipe! Oh, I love Glow Recipe. Plum, Plump, Hyaluronic Serum. Ooh. So, this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, ooh, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. I didn't know collagen was, you could get vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin and deep hydration. I need this in my life so bad right now, you guys. Being sick and taking medicine and stuff, I've been so dehydrated. Like, my skin is thirsty. And I've been trying to keep up on it, but I've still been working and stuff, so... Like, I can't drink water like I need to. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, this is the outside of the box. Like, I'm just diving in. I'm so sorry. This is what the outside of the box looks like. Look, it's so cute. This is the inside. Look at this. It's got little indents in it too, like a plum. Like, it right here. It's so cute, you guys. How do I get you open? I want you open. Alright, let's... Oh, it feels so good. I love Glow Recipe, though. They have amazing products, and I love that we get them in BoxyCharm, because they're a little expensive, but they're products that I would probably buy again. I thought it would be fruity, but it's not. It's not really fruity. I don't know what it smells like. It's not overwhelming. There's not an overwhelming smell. But I'm definitely stoked about this. How much are you? This is less than the palette, you guys. I would buy this before I would buy that palette. Just saying. Okay. So, yeah. I'm excited. Oh my god. I love Glow Recipe, though. Alright, so next up we have Fenty Beauty. Oh, okay, well, we don't need you. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Oh, yeah, this was my choice item. And I don't know why I chose it. Because my skin is dry. Like, super, super dry. I was going to say I didn't think it was in there. But I love Fenty Beauty products. This is the outside of the packaging. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love her packaging. It's always so stunning to me. And I got the shade 105. I hope that's right. It's hard to tell. Does this come open? Is it... What's going on here? Oh, the sticker. You guys fooled me with this stuff. I hate packaging. Like opening it. I'll just go from the bottom. Okay. Ooh, okay, that looks really light. I don't know if that's gonna... That might... I don't know. Gonna have to try that out. I might... wait to try this though until the summertime when my skin is a little less dry coming out of winter and then, you know, being sick and stuff. I don't think that this is going to go very well on my skin, especially in this area here. Like, my T-zone is so dry. And usually when I use stuff like this, it just makes me look like a lizard and my skin flakes. And I want to try one of those microdermabrasion, like the home ones. Hey, if any of you guys have ever tried that, let me know how it works and where you got it and that kind of stuff. Like, I really want to try this because I feel if I did that and then did all my skincare, like, my skin would heal better or something. I don't know. Anyways, Fenty Beauty. Love it. It is $36. Okay. I'm trying not to peek in this box, but I see this little carton of eggs, you guys. I'm trying to go down the list. It's so cute, though. Rose and Quartz hair mask. I'm assuming that's this big boy right here. Yep. Rose and Quartz hair mask. So, your touchstone of hair products, the Rose and Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs. That's awesome because, you know, not everybody's the same. With 0% sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates, it suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes. Vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. Wow, okay, I love this product already. So, mine's cracked. My top is cracked. I don't know if y'all, no, you guys are not going to be able to see that. My whole top is cracked. And I can't get this thing, oh, there it goes. That's not cool. Alright. Smells good. It smells clean. It does smell like roses a little bit. I can't wait to try this. I might try this tonight. Just take a bath and put a hair mask on. So awesome. I'm excited about this. I like getting hair products because I have issues with my hair, and this stuff can be expensive, especially the good stuff. $31. Yeah, I would never pay $31 for a hair mask, but I'm happy to have it. You know, I'm not saying that it's not worth it. We'll test it out and see. So next is our Soleil hair tools. Oh, my mini heat brush. This was one of my choices too. So the Fenty foundation and the hairbrush. Oh, it's just gonna slide right on out. Okay, cool. So yes, look at this. I mean, it's orange, not my preferred color, but you know, because my hair is so thin and fine, I've wanted to try it. This is like really hard. The bristles, they're not like regular brush bristles. That's okay though. So this is just like a hair straightener, and I'm super excited to have it and try it out. Because I get flyaways and stuff, my hair is so fine. And this weather here, like we are dry where I live, like so dry. $150. What? This thing costs $150. What the heck? Why? It's like a straightener. How's it so expensive? Whatever. That's crazy to me. $150 for a freaking hair straightener. Oh my goodness. Okay. Next up, I get to pull the eggs out. We have the Beauty Bakery Blending Eggs Beauty Sponges. It's so cute. Look at this packaging, you guys. Look at it. It's so cute. Whoever came up with this is a genius. Like, and good on them for putting it in March, because Easter this year is on the 4th of April. It's so close. So everybody has their Easter blenders for Easter. Their beauty blenders for Easter. So it's just cute. It's just in this carton thing here. And then I don't want to tear it up. I just want to pull it off. So yeah, it looks like an egg carton. And I'm assuming you have 6 in here. Yep. So there you go. 6 beauty blenders. How cool is that? I love Beauty Bakery stuff. Their stuff is always so cutely packaged, and it makes me hungry. So get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinary caking that's hard to beat. Okay. Oh, these are cute. They're only $18, so that's not bad, you know. Okay, not overly priced. So 18. And then next we have Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. Okay. Alright. So this is the packaging. Cute. That's my shade. A good lightly pinky nude, which has been my favorite lately. It's called Crush. Oh, on the inside when you open it right here, you can't really see it, you guys, but it says Define Your Beauty. I like when they add little touches like that, you know what I mean? Like a little surprise. Whoops, here you go. So it's just a nude color. Nothing, you know, super spectacular, but I do love Dominique Cosmetics. I have a couple of her palettes up here. So we'll give it a swatch. Why am I trying to do it left-handed? My brain is not working today. Yeah, so pretty. Very creamy, very nice. Definitely going to be using this. And that is $18 as well. And then the very last item we have in here is Amna Skincare Kiss the Scars. Kiss the Scars. Yeah. Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. This 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. It's $42. Look at this stuff though, it's cute. $42 though for a lip mask. Ooh, that looks gross. It's chunky. It has smells like candy, like Laffy Taffy. That's what it smells like. Laffy Taffy. And it's got, you know, I'm gonna see if I can get in here a little bit closer. It's got stars. Oh, come on, focus camera. Okay, fine, it's not gonna focus, but it's got stars in it, so that's kind of cool, I guess. $42 though. I would never pay $42 for a lip mask. Man, it better make me look like I got what's her name, Kylie Jenner, is that her name? Lips. Whew. Okay, our Luxe box this month is pretty high, but my premium box was like over $300 this month, so that was kind of crazy. So for this month, my Luxe box is worth $387, and I paid $55. So yeah, that's an extraordinary value, and I got a lot of awesome products. I mean, I don't think there's really anything in here that I'm not excited about, you know what I mean? So great box, great value. I wouldn't pay $42 for this personally. But I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see if it does plump my lips, if it helps moisturize them. They're dry. They're so dry today. And all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, I mean, overall, really good box. I think my Luxe box was better than my premium box this month. So that's awesome. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Did you get a Luxe box? What did you get? Did you like your items? Did you like my items? Let me know down below. Give me a comment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. It would mean the absolute world to me. I would be ecstatic. And as always, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.